Khulum ka jotono no Radha Krishna Jewelry ne bakakti tongtho akititiani hamjang matte chiwaya faro.
Fainai buskangni salmari 10 April simin 25 April salmari jora.
Chini Radha Krishna Jewelry pawai phaika kaisa kotor offer.
Faro manai thanai rangchani per gram 700 kai discount jotono koijo phai manjang nani bagai.
Te diamond making charge tongnai 20% bini logibo mannai diamond value o 20%.
Te silver jewelry making charge tonga 20% discount.
Tai oro gemstone bunai mano gemstone value mano thane 20% off.
Old gold eba old diamond exchange khaithani bo mannai 100% exchange value.
Manai pairom rom na tongnai logyo kaisa gi.
Chini showroom every week no khola tongnai. Chini Radha Krishna Jewelry 6ta branch tongo. Mobile Thai kha Usha Bazar, Agartala, Dharmanagar, Bilonia, Udaipur, tai Polo Central Mall. Abon unna chini store na visit khanya bagai angkoi jago longka.
Chini o faro bhai manjana bagai jodono khabai khobai lamsogo.
On Friday, a high-impact collision between a Maruti Suzuki Eeco and a motorcycle occurred in front of the Khumulwng Type Three Quarter area, leaving 2 individuals critically injured. The victims were immediately rushed to Kherengbar Hospital for emergency stabilization and later referred to Agartala GB Hospital. On Friday, a collision occurred between a vegetable-laden Eeco vehicle and a motorcycle in front of the Khumulwng Type Three Quarter. The Eeco was reportedly en route to Agartala for trade when the accident took place, resulting in injuries to both occupants of the motorcycle. Following the incident, the injured parties were rushed to Kherengbar Hospital. However, due to a deterioration in medical status, one individual was subsequently referred to Agartala GB Hospital for advanced treatment. Reported by Raju Jamatia from Khumulwng, Chini, Khorang.